came in live here. It says, we import boards that are to be repaired and returned that have a country of origin China. When we export them, can we claim duty drawback? And to me, the quick answer to that is yes, probably.
Yeah, that would be my take on it too. You import it and you export it. It sounds like it would be direct identification since you're repairing them, but maybe it's substitution. In any event, there's nothing that would necessarily preclude you from claiming drawback. And even assuming that these products were classified under a provision that's subject to the additional China tariffs, you'd be able to claim that back too.
For sure.